In this tutorial, we're going to be discovering how you can export hashtags from Flick onto Instagram. I'm going to start off with this graph here that I got at the end of the last tutorial by expanding streetwear and then Yeezy boots and then Supreme Box logo. And I'm simply going to hover all of these and I'm going to pick the ones that I want for my posts. So here I'm going to pick Yeezy boots. So once you've picked a hashtag, a circle is going to appear over it so you know it's selected. You can also keep track of how many hashtags you've selected with the number in this box over here. So here I've just selected one. If I select a second one, it's going to go to 2. So let's say these ones are quite relevant, this one as well. This is of course completely hypothetical. I don't actually have an account relevant with here, but here you will just pick the most relevant ones to your account. I'm simply going to click on this button here, export hashtags. I can reorder them here. Then I'm going to click on copy hashtags and that's it. Literally your hashtags are copied to your clipboard, which means that you can paste them anywhere you want and they will be already completely formatted in the way you need to use them in your Instagram posts. So now that you know everything about making a basic search on Flick, so from making the search to expanding and exporting, in the next tutorial we're going to be going over how you take this to the next level and use our advanced search features to find hashtags not only that are relevant to your target audience, but also are the right size.